Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Drew Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's recipe, I am going to show you how I make the famous Ghanaian ABELE WALLS or Ghanaian ice cream or Ghanaian popsicle using only 4 ingredients that you can all get at the supermarket. So if you want to know how I make this, please keep on watching. For this recipe, I'm going to use vanilla extract. I'm also going to use condensed milk. I have got my Nido powdered milk ready, and I am going to use whole milk with 3.7% fat. Let's get started. So I have already poured 4 cups of fresh milk, and then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to it. Next, I am going to mix the vanilla and the milk together. Now I am going to add my condensed milk. So I have got here 9 tablespoons of condensed milk, which is about 240 grams, which is about half a can of condensed milk. So you can't go wrong. You have all the measurements here. Next, we're going to mix the condensed milk with the milk and the vanilla extract. Please take your time to mix it because it can stick to the bottom. All right, and now we are going to add our powdered milk, which is 9 tablespoons of Nido milk powder. Okay, but if you can't find Nido, try and use another milk powder if you can. And now gently mix all together. And again, I'll repeat it, make sure you take your time to mix it because we do not want any lumps in our ice cream. So this is it now, it is ready, and we are going to get our popsicle molds ready. My dear friends, so this is what I am going to use. I have my popsicle and my silicone funnel. I bought this from Amazon. So if you want to get them, go for it. So now I am going to pour my milk into my popsicle molds. By the way, in Ghana, they use those plastic cups with the stick, but this time I just wanted to use my popsicle molds because this is what I have. Alright, so look at this, it is ready. I had 9 popsicles and also about 3 bags for the remaining milk. So now I am going to pop the stick on it, and then I will get it ready to go into the fridge. Into the freezer. Alright friends, so now it is ready, so let's pop it in the freezer overnight. Okay, it's best overnight. Alright guys, so let's do it and I'll see you tomorrow morning. This is it guys, these are my Ghanaian popsicles, ABELE WALLS vanilla ice cream. Look at this, nicely frozen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave it there for about 10 minutes. You can pop it in hot water, but it melts faster in hot water. And then I am going to show you how it looks like. So this is it. Look at this wonderful ice cream guys. ABELE WALLS. This is ABELE WALLS Ghanaian style. You are not going to regret this recipe. It is a must try, trust me. Alright dear friends, so this was my Ghana ice cream recipe. If you think it is too sweet, you can always reduce the quantity of condensed milk, but if you reduce it, you have to reduce the powdered milk as well. So if you use 7 tablespoons of condensed milk, you use 7 tablespoons of Nido powdered milk. I hope this recipe was useful for you and that you are going to try it. If you did enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me comments, to share my videos, to subscribe to my channel, and to hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you.